Most of the people knows that on December 17, 1903, Wright brothers invented the first manned flying machine, or you can call it airplane. But they don't know the history behind it, the competition that was happening at the same time. So the history goes like this. At the same time, another person by the name of Samuel Piper Langley. He was an astronomer. He was a mathematician in Oxford or Harvard College Observatory. Uh, no, sorry. He was mathematics at United States Naval Academy. He was assistant in Harvard College Observatory. So he had a lot of connection. He was very famous. He was well known and with a very well prestige ranking. And he wanted to build the first manned flying machine, and he gathered the best minds in the field, like the best pilot, the best for example, the pilot was Charles Manley, the engineer Stephen Brownlee, developer of the first new car in New York. So all the minds, and also the government funded $50,000 to this project, and the newspaper always following this person and this team. But he couldn't achieve that. The Wright brothers did. A few miles away in Ohio, Wright brothers had the same dream, had the same ambition of building or inventing the first manned flying machine or airplane. But but they didn't had any fund. They were working in the bicycle. Like their fun was from working in the bicycle shop. Their team was mostly they had some of them had none of them had a college degree. Even some of them had never finished their high school. So they didn't had brilliant teams. They didn't had funds. They didn't have anything like that. But how they succeeded? They had dream. They had why they want to build this. Langley wanted to build this because of the fame. This fame, or yeah, to become famous, to become well known, as so on and so on. But the Wright brothers, or Orville and Wilbur, they wanted to build this for the future, to help solve the problem, solve a lot of obstacles, a lot of problems that people have been facing at that day or at that time. So they had dream, they had why. That's why they succeeded, even with the worst team and with the worst condition. That's it for day 171 of Read and Talk Challenge, which I narrated from this book, Start With Why, and I hope that you have learned something, and I hope I can see you tomorrow. Till then, take care.